It's a world of laughter, a world of cheer. It's a world of hopes and a world. Dead men tell no tales. Oh, pirate's life for me. Dun, 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 dun. Frontierland, and there is a lot of people here. And there is a little ferry boat like Louisiana style right there. Country Bear Jamboree. Ooh, magical ears. Little magic. Everything's so magical. Frontierland. Lily, we're in Frontierland. Riley's tired. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. My oh my, it's a wonderful day. Wonderful feeling heading our way. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay.
What do we want to do with everybody here? Celebrate! Yes, we want to party! Are you guys ready to party?
All aboard the choo-choo train, all aboard the choo-choo train, all aboard the choo-choo train, all aboard choo-choo! So, with Ashley, going down the tracks. Going down the tracks, tickety-tack-tack, going down the tracks. Hope you enjoy the show. Hope you enjoy the show.
Wouldn't you all like to see Elsa cover the castle in ice and snow? See, they want you to do it.
People want ice.
Ice and snow. Ice
Hola.
and snow.
Come on, everyone.
Ice and snow. Ice and snow. Ice and snow. Ice and snow.
Hey, okay. I'll do it.
Yes.
But I'd like all of your help. Will you help me?
Oh, this is gonna be so much fun.
Okay, everyone. Envision this castle wrapped in shimmering ice. The snow cascading down its tall towers, twinkling like a million stars. Now, feel the icy magic swell and swirl within you. Do you feel it? Are you ready? Now let it go!